Hello. I saw this video over here. Where's it at? Is it this one? All right. Is that it? No, that's not it. No. Maybe I accidentally got rid of it. I don't know. All right. I must have got rid of it. Well, anyways, there was a girl on the there was a girl on Sporkle doing this challenge. So she said to make a video and then subscribe it to her. Well, she got it done in like 14, 15 minutes or so. All right, the last game I did, it took 9 minutes and 33 seconds. Okay, so, all right, maybe I could do this. All right, there we go. That's perfect. All right, here we go. I'm not sure why it's... Maybe because I'm recording. That's the only thing I could think of. Oh, here it is. Okay. It's just taking a little bit too long. All right. Now, my record is I did this in 4 minutes and 58 seconds. I'm just going to try to do it in less than 10. And I'm going to do it random because it's harder. So I'm just going to, whatever I see, whatever I think, I'm just going to do it. Here we go. Get that out of the way. All right. Something's popping up down here. All right. Stupid advertisement. Andorra, Moldova. I think I was thinking of Kosovo on that one. All right. Turkey. Turkmenistan. Whoops. Turkmenistan. Turkmenistan. My God. Tajikistan. Kyrgyzstan. It's so much harder to do this random. I keep doing ones that I've already done. All right, Mozambique. Senegal, Somalia, Cape Verde, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan, Okay. How about Estonia, South Korea, South Africa, South Sudan, Kuwait, Yemen, Oman, Lebanon, Syria, Israel, Monaco, France, Vatican, Niger, Nigeria. How about Guinea, Bissau, Mauritania, Brazil, Singapore, Laos, Slovakia, Slovenia, Chad, Burkina Faso, Indonesia, Fiji, Samoa, Saudi Arabia, what is that, Palestine, Romania, oh, that's Bulgaria, Bulgaria, okay, there we go, Bosnia, Herzegovina, that is Mali, that is Sao Tome Principe, Burundi, I already did that 3 times, all right, Rwanda, Uganda, that is, what is that? That is Ghana, no it's not, it's Gabon, no it's Gambia, it's Botswana, San Marino, I already did that, shit. Austria, and what is that one there? Paraguay, Uruguay, Togo, Tonga, Benin, what is that? That is what is that? That's Vanuatu. And that over there is Malaysia, maybe? Nope. Cambodia, Taiwan, North Korea, Liechtenstein. Alright, I'm still not getting the one I want. That's gotta be Netherlands. Alright, there we go. Belarus. Barbuda. Oh no, I did El Salvador, Guatemala, Bolivia. No, that's Uruguay and Paraguay down there. That was like Ecuador. That one over there is, what the hell is that? That is Iraq. That one over there is, okay, and Thailand and Vietnam and Nepal and Armenia, Albania, Azerbaijan, and Georgia. Okay, so go down here. Got that. I always mess up Djibouti. I don't know why. I was putting DRGI. Egypt. San Marino. Andorra, Monaco. What is that above Italy there? What is that? I'm messing it up. Alright, let's do this. Honduras. Angola. Then we'll go back to that and go Panama and do Lesotho. Then we'll go back over here and do Dominica. Then we'll do, the hell is that? Zimbabwe. Then we'll go, what is that? Oh, that's Colombia. Colombia. Then we'll go back to that and we'll do Zambia. Then we'll go back over here and we'll do Belize. Then we'll go back over here and we'll do, what is that? No. That is, what is that? That's just Sudan. Ethiopia. Dominican Republic. Like I said, I'm trying to do it in random so it makes it harder to remember them. Eritrea? Oh, okay. I thought I did that already. And that's got to be Kenya. And then that's definitely Morocco. That's Tunisia. Cuba, Haiti, Bahamas. Bahamas and Barbados. And probably Grenada. And then down there, that's got to be Honduras. Nope. Panama, I did Honduras, El Salvador, Belize, maybe? No, I did Belize. What are those two there? What is that? That is Costa Rica and something else. I'm not sure what that other one is. Costa Rica, El Salvador, Panama. Maybe Nicaragua? Okay, that's what it was. All right. That there is Botswana, Angola, Liberia. Nope. Mozambique. See, this is what makes it a challenge. I could blast through this in 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes. But by going bouncing around like this, nope. Croatia, Serbia. I'm not sure. Okay, Romania. I already got, I think. I don't think I did Hungary. Nope. Hungary. San Marino, I think I did 3 times. What is that? That's Switzerland, maybe? Eswatini. And that one there, I don't